Does your business use Microsoft products like Office or Microsoft 365 email? If so, your business is even at more risk of getting hacked. Because Microsoft tools are so popular, they're a big target for hackers. 70% of cyber attacks target Microsoft Office products. On top of that, 43% of cyber attacks target small to mid-sized businesses. So if you want to protect your business, you need to make sure that your Microsoft products are secure. Microsoft has security features built in, but they're just not enough to protect you against every threat out there or against your own employees clicking on things, well, that they shouldn't. We found the best way to protect our clients is Microsoft 365 with Office Protect. Office Protect is a security add-on that allows us to monitor the back end of Microsoft 365 for any unusual activity. It alerts us to potential threats, whether it's a hacker or human error, so we can check it out right away. One of our clients was recently hacked, but due to Office Protect, we were able to identify the threat and fix it before any damage was done. If you use Microsoft Office products, we can help keep your business safe too. Talk to us about upgrading to Microsoft 365 with Office Protect today.